Are you where you want to be financially right now? How would your life be different if you had no debt and no longer had to make loan payments to anyone? How much more secure would you feel financially? What could you do with the money you are no longer paying toward debt? This video will show you how thousands of people, just like you, are paying off all their debt, including their mortgage, in as little as half the scheduled time or less. They are saving thousands to tens of thousands of dollars in interest, simply by using a breakthrough service called the MA Money Merge Account. The MA Money Merge Account is a complete financial roadmap with extremely effective banking strategies built right in. The best way to explain this service is to compare it to a GPS, or navigation system for your car. If you're familiar with a navigation system, you get in your car and type the address. It maps out the shortest, most effective way to get to your destination, right? If along the way you miss a turn or take a wrong exit, what happens? The GPS recalculates and guides you how to get back on track. Let me ask you, do you think it would be valuable to have a tool that did the exact same thing for you, but financially? A program that looks at your financial situation today, tomorrow, and every day thereafter, and shows you the fastest, most strategic way to becoming completely debt-free. In other words, it takes you by the hand and walks you through exactly what to do and how to do it. Let me ask you again, are you where you want to be financially right now? Can you see the benefit of saving thousands to tens of thousands of dollars in interest and eliminating years of payments? Sounds like an obvious question, but you'd be surprised how many people have lost the belief that they can pay off all their debt and own their own home one day. How many years do you have left owing on your debt? How many times have you refinanced your home? Did you know the average loan time in America is 3 to 5 years? Every 3 to 5 years, the average American refinances their mortgage. In other words, they're just hitting a reset button and starting over. How would your life be different if you owned your home outright and were totally debt-free?